Good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. In our previous class, we were discussing Albert Einstein at School, which was written by a renowned biographer, Patrick Pingle. In that biography, we had seen that Albert had done a planning that he will show himself that he had got a nervous breakdown, and he will show himself before a specialized nervous problem doctor, and that doctor will give him a medical certificate, and on that basis only he will get some relief, some leave from the school. And in order to follow this plan, in order to follow this idea, he asked Yuri that whether Yuri have any knowledge, have any information about any doctor who is specialized in nervous problem. Then Yuri said that I know many medical students, but really I don't have any information, really I don't have any knowledge about the particular doctor who is specialized in the nervous system. Okay. Then Yuri said that I will find out particular doctor who is specialized in the nervous problem. Then after that, Yuri had found out that there is a doctor whose name is Dr. Ernest Weil, who is a newly doctor who had got a medical certificate, who had become a doctor last week. But Yuri warned Albert Einstein that don't try to hide anything, don't try to fool Dr. Ernest Weil. Since it is correct that he had got his medical certificate, he had got his medical degree last week, but don't try to hide anything from him, and try to be honest, try to be frank enough in front of him and tell everything to Dr. Ernest Weil, that what the real thing, what is the main problem with you. Okay. Try to be frank enough. Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. Don't try to hide anything from his eyes. Be frank with him. Yuri said that. Be frank with him. But don't pretend you have got what you haven't. But don't try to pretend. Here Yuri want to say that don't try to pretend, don't try to hide anything from him, and don't try to show anything which you haven't. Means show those things only which you have. Don't try to hide, don't try to pretend anything from the doctor. Because doctor, advocates, and the teachers, these are the people who always give you right path, who always give you correct suggestion, who always gives you a right path. They always tells you a right path. Means if you hide anything from the teacher, from the doctor, from the lawyers, they can't help you in a better manner. Suppose you have done something wrong. In your mind, that thing I have done wrong. And when you will try to pretend those things from this professional, from these doctor, lawyers and the teachers, then that thing is always in your mind, that I have done something wrong, and this thing I have to pretend from them. Then you will start telling lies, that you will start making your excuses, that this thing I have done wrong, that thing I have done wrong. Means in order to pretend one thing, you will tell 100 lies in order to pretend one thing, because you know that one thing is wrong, and in order to cover, in order to pretend, in order to protect that thing, you start telling lies one by one, and at the end, what happened? At the end, you will be in a danger. You will be in a problem, because you haven't got any solution of that problem. And when you will speak all these things very clearly, very frankly, very honestly towards the teachers, towards the doctor or the lawyers, then they can tackle, then they can handle these things very easily, because they have got so much experience, so much knowledge in this field. That's why they have become the lawyers or the doctors or the teachers. Then they can give a good solution for that problem. That's why always tries to be honest, tries to be frank before them. Never try to hide anything from them. The moment you will hide something, you will be in the trouble. Okay. That's why Yuri warned him. That's why Yuri warned Albert that don't try to pretend anything from him, and don't try to show that thing which you haven't. Here Yuri indirectly want to tell Albert that you haven't got a nervous breakdown. This thing you haven't got, and the moment you will try to show that you have got a nervous breakdown, then you will be in a trouble. Don't try to show all these things. You knew him, sorry. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you have got what you haven't. Not that you had deceived anyone, and not you had deceived anyone, nor you have to try to pretend, nor you have tried to hide anything from them. Yuri added, means you don't have to deceive, you don't have to pretend anything from Dr. Ernest Weil. You are the world's worst liar. Means if you now here you said that you are the world's worst liar, means that you are not very much expert in telling the lies. You are the world's worst, means you are the world's bad liar who can't speak the lies in a proper manner. So you are the world's worst liar. You can't speak lies very clearly, very, very truly. That's why don't try to show all these things in front of the Dr. Ernest Weil. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. Means Albert, because Albert want to pretend himself. That's why he was thinking all the day that what he had to say in front of that doctor. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. When the time arrived for his appointment, means Yuri had given a paper. On that paper that the Dr. Ernest Weil address was written, and when the time arrived, the time which he had got was tomorrow evening. And when the time tomorrow evening had been arrived for the visit of the Dr. Ernest Weil, he had worried over it. He was very much worried over it. He was very much worried that how he will pretend himself before Dr. Ernest Weil, because of which he became quite nervous. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Weil, he began. And And when he went to the doctor Ernest Well, then he said, I don't really know how to describe my trouble. He said to the doctor that I don't know, miss, I don't know the way how to start, how to tell my problem in front of you. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Now the doctor said that you are trying to tell me how to describe your problem, how to tell your problem. Don't try, because Albert has said that he is trying to tell. Then the doctor Ernest Well said that don't try to tell me something. Means don't try. With a friendly smile, Dr. Ernest Well had shown a friendly smile and said that don't try. Because the moment you will try to speak lie. That's why don't try to speak. Jury has already given me a history of the case. And now Dr. Ernest Well said that jury had already given me a history. Means jury had already told me your problem earlier only. Don't try to pretend yourself, okay? Oh, what did he say? And the moment Dr. Ernest Well said that Yuri had given him a history of his case, then he became quite nervous. Then Albert said, what did he say? What did he say? Means he had told you my case. Then what he had told you? Tell me what he had told you, because now he is thinking very much. The moment he got the knowledge that Yuri had told him, he started thinking very much. Only that you want me to think you have had a nervous breakdown. Albert said that, sir, what Yuri had told you. Then Einstein said that, then Dr. Ernest Well said that he told me that you want me to think. He told that Albert Einstein want to think you that you have got a nervous breakdown. Means the whole planning, the whole secret of Albert Einstein was already been revealed by Yuri to Dr. Ernest Well, because Dr. Ernest Well said that Yuri had told me that I have to think that you have got a nervous breakdown. You have to think. This word he had used, that you want me to think. He said that he wanted that you should think that you had got a nervous breakdown. Means you have to think. When we have not done anything, when we have already been disappointed, means thinking means you have to make an imagination. Thinking means you have to do an imagination. That's why doctor said that Yuri had told me that I have to think. Means I have to imagine that you had got a nervous breakdown. And the reality is that he had not got a nervous breakdown, but he wants that doctor should think that he had got the nervous breakdown. And said that you must not go back to that school. And Yuri had said one more secret also to the Dr. Ernest Well, that you must not want to go to the school. that and said that you must not go back to that school, and you want me to make a medical certificate so that because you don't want to go to that school. Oh dear, Albert Feswell. And the moment true secret which was revealed by Dr. Ernest Well, the face, the happiness of Albert Einstein comes down, and he said, "Oh dear," means everything had been gone, everything had been revealed before the doctor. Oh dear, Albert face fell. He shouldn't have told you that. Now Albert says to the doctor, that Dr. Ernest Well, that you should not tell all this thing to you, because I have got an appointment with you. I will come here. I have to come here. Then I must have told all this thing to you. Then why Yuri had told all this secret to you? He shouldn't have told all these things to you. He shouldn't have told you that. Why not? Isn't it true then? Then Dr. Ernest Well said that, why not? Why this thing should not be told by the Yuri to me? Why not? Tell me, Albert, why this thing should not be told to me? Isn't it true then? If this thing had not been told to me, isn't it be true? Yes, that's the trouble. This is the trouble, that he had told you everything. Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there's nothing wrong with me, and you will tell me to go back to school. And now he said that, now Albert said that, now doctor, you will say me that there is nothing wrong with me. Now you will say that nothing is wrong with me, and you will tell me that you are fit and you are fine enough to go back to that school. Now you will say me all these things. Don't be too sure of that, said the doctor. Now doctor said that, what you are thinking about me, that I will give you a suggestion that you are fit enough that you can go back to the school. Don't be too sure of that. Miss, don't be too sure of that I am going to tell all these things to you, said the doctor. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in a nervous state about that school. And as a matter of fact, I am pretty sure. As a matter of fact means that this thing is sure. This thing is true, that you don't want to go back to that school. And this is the nervous state about that school. And this is the nervous thing, that you don't want to go that school. But I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert. And Albert said that, but I haven't told all this thing to you. But I haven't told you anything about it. Wide-eyed, how can you know that? And now Albert is shocked that how you have got this knowledge that I don't want to go back to that school. Because you wouldn't have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown. Now the doctor, Ernest Well, said that you have got a nervous breakdown. If you haven't got the nervous breakdown, then you haven't come to me to have a checkup. This you hadn't been pretty close to a nervous breakdown, means that you have come to me, and the problem is that you don't want to go to the school. This is the nervous breakdown system, and this is the reason that you have come to me. That's why now, said the doctor briskly. That's the reason you have come to me. And the doctor said, And the doctor said briskly, quickly. Means quickly. The doctor said this thing very quickly. If I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from school for a while, what will you do? Doctor said that you have came to me and because of the nervous breakdown, because of the nervous problem from the school, that you have came to me. And this thing he had said very briskly, and this thing he had said very quickly. And if I certify that you haven't had a nervous breakdown, and doctor said that if I certify that you have got a nervous breakdown, then what you will do? Then see what happened. It is said that doctor asked Albert Einstein, if you will get the medical certificate, then what you will do? If I certify that you have had a nervous breakdown and must stay away from school for a while, what you will do? Here doctor wants to know that if I will give the medical certificate to Albert Einstein, then what he will do? I will go to Italy, said Albert. Now Albert said that he will go to Italy, to Milan, where my parents are. He said that when he will get the leave, when he will gets the holiday from the school, he will go to the Italy, to Milan, where his parents are. And what will you do there? And then he asked, if you go there, then what you will do? The real thing is that doctor wants to know what he want to do with that medical certificate when he will get the leave from the school. Then what is the next step which he is going to take? I will try to get into an Italian college or institute. Now Albert says that he will try to get an admission in an Italian college or institute. How can you without a diploma? Now, miss, if you want to take an admission in an Italian college or institute, how this thing will be possible if you have not qualified or if you have not passed your diploma? I will ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work. Now Albert says that I will ask my mathematics teacher to give him something about his work, and perhaps that will be enough. Now Albert says that when he will get that certificate, then he will be easily gets an admission in the Italian college. I have learned all the maths they teach at school, because Albert wants his mathematics teacher to give him something about his work. Then he thought that if his mathematics teacher will give me in return something, then on the basis of that he will take admission in an Italian college. And he said that I have learned all the maths they teach at school. And he said that he had learned all the mathematics which his teacher had taught him, and a bit more, means what teacher had taught him, not only those, but more than that he had learned. He added when Dr. Whale looked doubtful. Means doctor is not totally convinced. Dr. Whale is not totally convinced by the planning, by the suggestions which was given by Albert Einstein, that he will get admission in the Italian college on the basis of his mathematics teacher.